Good morning, everyone. This is Dheeraj Aire, and my mentor is architect Dinesh sir. We were supposed to design a library and an auditorium. We were given a site of having a built-up area of approx 7,000 square meters. The site is located in Nasik at Tilak Road near Nehru Garden. As per the requirements and data analysis, all the areas were calculated as follows are the calculations and understanding diagrams of required areas. I have done a case study on Acoustics Auditorium in Bombay. The Acoustics Auditorium is a working, good condition auditorium. And studying all the details needed for an auditorium, the following auditorium is designed. This is the site plan, and the yellow part in this is the proposed area. Before going to the plan of the auditorium and the library, here is how the design was planned. I firstly started noting down some features of Nasik city and the structure and the places for which Nasik is famous for. And an idea came to my mind. From dividing the city into old city and new city, and started a comparison between features of both the areas of the city. Then I decided to take the most common things noticed into the old city and the new city, and came to Vada architecture in the old city and the new buildings in the new city, and decided to take one feature from both. And from Vada architecture, the most common feature is the courtyard, and the inwardness, also the openness, is more due to the courtyard. And what makes the new city new? The new buildings. And in the new buildings, the only feature was the facilities and the new shapes and new design which makes the city new. And decided to give a new look to the structure by using organic shapes as circles and curves. And also to maintain the Vada architecture, the linear planning on the other side. Also giving a courtyard for an air and light ventilation purpose. Also for ventilation in basement, I have given a central space with a tree plantation to the pedestrian entrance, which keeps the light and ventilation to the basement. And as coming to the final notation and finalizing the concept, here I started with the ground floor plan of auditorium. This is the auditorium ground floor plan. This is the entrance to the site. And this is the pedestrian entrance to the site. The pedestrian entrance to the site has a roof of glass to allow the sunlight to enter the basement. This is the entrance to the auditorium. This is the lobby. And this is the ticket counter. And to the side of the ticket counter is the upgoing staircase, which is an entrance to the sitting area. These are the exit for the sitting areas which comes to the lobby area and exit from here. There is a canteen attached to the auditorium area which is common for the auditorium area and the library area. This is the backstage entry to the stairway and also having an admin area. Here comes the first floor plan of the auditorium area. This is the staircase from the lobby area which is coming to the entrance of the sitting area. This is the sitting area and this is the exit of the sitting area. This is the backstage area and having an access from the backstage area to the stage. And this is the stage area. Here is the control room of the stage area which controls light and the sound systems. Going to the next, the library area. This is the ground floor area of the library. There is a plinth of 0.3 meters to the entrance of the library area. This is the entrance to the library area with a reception area and also a staff room with an attached pantry and a toilet. There is a trustee's office with an attached toilet and also a manager's office. There is a lobby which is a waiting lobby for the admin area, and this is the conference room for the admins only. Here is one 50 seating capacity meeting room and one 100 seating capacity meeting room which can be rented out. The toilet area is located at the back side. This is the stairway that leads us to the upper floor. And going to the next floor, the first floor area of the library. Here is the museum area, and this is an artifacts maintenance room. This is an exhibition hall. There is also a digital library which takes care of Xerox and printing room, also the digitalization of the books. Here are two exhibition halls which are temporary. Here is a storeroom, and this is the toilet of this floor. And this stairway takes us to the upper floor. And going to the next floor, the second floor. On the second floor, there is an open space which can be arranged as an abhasika, and also there is a old book section with old book stacks and also a old books maintenance room. This is one of the permanent exhibition area. On this floor, there is also a balcony area which is acting as a view for the people. Going to the next level plan. This is an abhasika area and this is the stacking area. I have also given a place which is acts as an abhasika area by creating pods. In one pod, there can be a sitting of 10 people. Also, the walls of the pods will act as an bookshelf. Also, the negative spaces in between the pods are also the sitting places for an reading area. And as per the large requirements of stacking area, which for 50,000 books, there was a need of fourth floor. So, going to the next floor, which is a replica of the third floor. This is the section through the auditorium area. Here is an entrance to the basement below the auditorium area at the entrance. These are two basements, and these are the stairways leading upside to the upper floors of the auditorium halls, and also this is the exit of an auditorium hall. And following are the rendering views of Lumion.